I've been influenced for sure. We're doing an unboxing today of my new baby, my new coach. So let me get her out of the box. Y'all, I've been through some things, but this is like a gift to me. I've been influenced for sure. Your girl is super excited about this. If you haven't checked out my other videos on the accessories I bought for her or on the charms I bought directly from Coach, definitely make sure you subscribe, get the notifications, and check out those videos. Along with my other videos, I have a lot more coming. And about to unbox, open my baby. Let's get into it. Oh my goodness, I don't even know. Oh my goodness. Oh. Let's roll out. So, oh, this strap is, yes, y'all. She cute. And she's gorgeous. Gorgeous. Look. They had me feeling like she was gonna be super big. Look, she not. She not super big. She perfect. The Lord's Rowan. Check her out. Let me still get this stuff off of her, okay? So look at this. Yeah. Nice thick strap, okay? Thick. Love the gold hardware. And it's that pebble black leather. Look, it's just soft, but I love it. I literally have to take all this little plastic off of these too. Off of this gold. And if you know what I'm talking about, it's the, what do I have like scissors? It's the little plastic that was on the little book bag I bought, book bag charm. If you haven't seen that video, go ahead and click that link so you can see that video as well. Something I didn't know, the inside is already chocolate, y'all. Shut the front door. So my accessory, if you watched, it will go perfect. This is a snap here, zipper here with a nice soft leather zipper. But I'm loving her. Okay, Lord Rowan. Okay. She gonna be worn like this. Okay. I am in love with this bag, y'all. She cute. She cute. But now it's time to get her ready for her, get her dressed so she's not so naked. You know, she's gorgeous naked too with the influence is to dress her up. So we'll be doing that in the next video. Make sure you guys subscribe, hit that notification, check out the videos of the charms that I've done, that I bought, so you can see how I dress her, and come back for the next video to see how I put all of those things together to get her to be herself, okay? I love the individualization, I guess that's what we're gonna use. I got 3 masters, don't judge me. That we can do with her, and I love how that's coming about. She got feet too, y'all. Look at that. Let's go feet. Look at that. But I'm moving her, and the strap is already in the perfect adjustment, so I don't have to do that. Go ahead, take her off, my hair out the way. But loving her, loving this bag. And I was so worried about the large because I'm like, the medium looks really cute too. But this large is doing it. This large is doing it, okay? Thank you guys for watching. Tune in for the next video. Again, this is all to get my Rowan all jazzed up. Thank y'all for watching. Bye.